Yay!
Yes!
Yes!
Yay!
Yay! Let me get you some milk and cereal. Let's put some milk in there.
Milk there.
Yeah, there is, because you've got a milkshake. There you go.
I like cake. Mommy?
Mummy's got coffee.
Oh. Orange juice.
Yeah, Mummy's got orange juice.
Oh, yeah. Taste orange juice.
You want orange juice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bless you.
How much?
Mummy's breakfast. Mummy waited for you. Yeah.
I want to
Oh yeah, Mummy's going to drink her orange juice. Yeah. Who's that?
Hey,
That is Chase, isn't it?
Mommy.
Chase and Mummy.
Okay, Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, my face, Mommy.
You're so cute.
I cannot keep going to the
Aww.
hospital every week to just get pain meds and pain management. I just need to get through the next couple months until these babies are born. So I'm feeling much better right now. The glass soap dispensers to put like dish soap and stuff in, it'll just make it look a lot prettier.
Mummy's just peeling potatoes. What, you want to do some painting? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, just wait for Mummy to do this quickly and then I'll get the paper, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you just got to wait 2 minutes. Here you go.
Oh my God.
There you go. Just some water.
God. Right. Oh.
Hello.
Good morning, darling.
Good morning. I woke up at 8.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, we were. No.
Oh, okay, I won't hear that, don't worry.
You gonna get ready to study your face?
No.
You painting?
Oh, yeah?
That is so pretty.
Wait to Mommy.
You painting for Mummy?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wait to Daddy.
Oh yeah, no, he said that as well. He just said that.
Say, wait them. Daddy.
He's here, baby. Daddy's here.
Wait him, Daddy.
Oh, you doing me a painting?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, what?
Good boy.
Painting daddy. Nice.
Wait them, Daddy.
Yeah, nice.
What, Daddy?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you put that one up in the frame that you did the other day?
No.
No. We won't then.
They hold on now.
What, you're all done now? That was quick.
That is so pretty.
Oh.
You doing the other side? Yeah. What are you
What did
doing?
you have for breakfast, Chase?
The box.
Oh.
He actually said it. He said Cocoa Pops.
Boy, play pop.
He's never said
Do you like
that.
them? Do you like them?
Yeah.
They're nice, aren't they?
Oh,
Oh, Caroline and Leah are here. Go open the door. Good morning, guys. So I've taken Chase to school. Sorry about the lighting. Ugh. It is currently 1 and I have a whooping cough vaccination now. So I'm currently at my doctor's and I'm about to go and get that done. I don't really like injections, but obviously when you're pregnant you have to have them. Like, there's no getting away from it. But yeah, so I'm just going to go and have that done and I will let you know how it is. I am back at my mum's now. I'm about to cook I say cook. I'm gonna do this. This is my noodle thing that I made like a few days ago, and I always do too much so that then I can have it for lunches throughout the week. Saves me a bit of time making lunch. So I'm gonna put that in the microwave to warm it up, eat that, and basically just have a coffee and chill, because I've got to get Chase in an hour and a half. I have to leave. So I've literally got an hour and a half to basically just relax, because this is my relaxing day, I've decided. That's why I've come here, so that I don't end up cleaning or anything. I'm just relaxing, because I never do. But I had the vaccine, and it doesn't really... I can't find it now. Is it there? Oh no, it's all the way up there. How did I get this up there? It's up there, I'll show you in a minute. So, as you can tell, I'm back home at Tom's house now. I am currently just trying to upload this video that decided it wouldn't want to upload, like keeps failing. And I'm trying to figure out why, but it's a lot harder than it seems. It's also freezing in this house right now, so yeah. I did have my, what are they called, like dungaree things on, but dungaree dress thing, but it was starting to annoy me. So I took that off, and I've kept the jumper on, but I've put trackies on because, well, they're comfy and I'm in the house, so. But I've got to go and get Chase soon, because it is currently 2:30, and obviously I have to pick him up at 3. I had obviously the whooping cough vaccination, and it doesn't, it's a bit bruised, like it hurts a little bit to touch, but otherwise, like, you can't even tell. I won't lie to you. I can't tell. Other people might have worse experiences, but me personally, I'm fine. Saying that, I haven't felt the baby move since, but once I've picked up Chase and stuff, I'll come back and do a bit of kicks count, where like you just sit and feel if the baby will move or not. Normally the baby moves randomly, so like he or she doesn't really have like a particular routine, other than the fact that the baby moves in the evening / night. Like, obviously it moves in the day as well, but I haven't felt it move since the injection, so I should probably double check that, but I'm sure it's fine. Right, I'm going to try and upload this again. Look at this. So, can you... Oh. So here I am trying to upload it. Come on, focus, please. And I press save, because I have to save it as a file first. Like, look, it's saying, yes, I want to replace it, because the other one doesn't even exist. Because it keeps failing. And then it says it's got, wait for it, 2 hours. Oh, it's going down there, it's going down. And that's how long it should really take, because it's a 20-minute video. But it's not going to take that long. It's going to take like, oh my, it's going to take, like, it probably won't upload still, so not sure what I'm going to do there. What's going on? Oh, it says an hour and a half. Oh, that means 4 o'clock. Wait, what? Yeah, 4 o'clock it should be up, but that's the thing, it won't be, because this bloody thing won't work. Guys, we've just got home, and look how adorable this is. Chase got his first ever party invite. Obviously I can't show you like the address and everything, but look how cute. It is honestly adorable. Like, how stinking cute. Not sure what Chase is actually doing right this second. However, he's currently getting in a lot of trouble because he's not listening to a word I'm saying. And he was throwing things around, so he's been getting in a bit of trouble right this second. But now I need to go upstairs because I need a wee. What are you doing? What are you doing? You being naughty? Or are you going to be a good boy now? Chase. Okay. Are you going to be a good boy now?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yeah.
Right, come on then, you can come upstairs. Good boy.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más